folks, JD here, and today we've got this. This is the brand new Eachine EX1. Oh, I'm super excited. Right, okay, let's open this up. This is a massive, absolutely colossal box. Right, oh. Okay, let's put the box on the floor. Let's flip this foam around. We've got two manuals in here as well, so let's put those to one side. Alright, so with those to one side, let's have a little look inside here. So if I take off the top, oh, look at that. That looks nice. Right, okay, let's take this out. Alright then folks, so here we are. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, just so we can see a little bit better. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we've got a very glossy looking quadcopter here. This is a double GPS photography drone. That's how Eachine have branded it. We've got some oh, look at that. You've got some quite nice landing sprigs. So on the bottom of the motor mount, we've got a plastic cone with a proper little rubber bung there to stop you from sliding across the deck as the landing sprig. Obviously, we've got 4 of those underneath there as well. Flipping it back over, we've got the on and off button at the top, battery towards the back. So the battery, good God, this thing is massive. Look at the size of that. So this battery is 7.4 volt, 2000 milliamp hour battery. This is what I expect to see in GPS quadcopters. This is a good battery. Now, with this, you do get a flight time of 14 to 17 minutes. You also get a charge time, unfortunately, of 2 to 4 hours. But that flight time is good. So let's put that battery to one side. This is the back of the drone. This is the side. The front, the camera fits under here. The top. Oh, this looks really nice. Now it feels quite sturdy. It's made of a nice thick plastic, and it really does look good. Oh, I really like this. I'm liking the glossy finish. I'm liking the thick plastic. I'm thinking this guy is going to be good. Okay, so there are a couple of things that we've got to do to this quadcopter. We've got to put on the propellers on top of these brushless motor mounts. So if I just take a pack of propellers. Okay, now in order to put these propellers on, let's do it properly. Let's have the quadcopter away from myself, pointing the front end pointing forwards. Now with that pointing forwards, what I'm going to do is we should have propellers B and B, A and A. Okay, so now I've selected my propellers. So we've got B and we've got A. So with that, I'm going to put these on. So then in another pack, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the motor holders. Oh, look at that. That's really neat. As you put on the propellers. So if I just clamp that onto there, and then I should be able to hold it and twist it around until it goes on quite solidly. Yeah, there we go, that's on. And I can do the other one. And for this, folks, I think I'm going to speed this up. And we've got we've got blue LEDs on the front, green LEDs on the back there, and wow, they're really bright. And we've got a pulsating LED under here. Every now and again it'll change colour and then pulse in and out. That's really nice, I like that. Right, okay, so let's turn this off. Click and hold, and then let go, perfect. Likewise on the underside of the battery, to take it out, you've got a little push to remove, which is, oh, that's quite fiddly. Alright, fine, no problem. So let's put this to one side. So here we go, look at this beast. This is amazing. Nice clear telemetry screen on the bottom. We've got buttons on the left and the right, and 2 analog sticks, obviously, as this is a GPS hold quadcopter. The analog stick on the left is going to center back as well. And then we've got 3 modes up here as well. So looking at the one being right the way down to the bottom is return to home. Then in the middle we've got outdoor GPS mode, and then at the top one, interestingly enough, we have indoor altitude hold mode. That's interesting. So indoor altitude hold is the top, GPS is the middle, and then return to home is the bottom one as well. So the buttons along the bottom as well. So starting off on this side here, we have photo, video, and speed control. And then switching over to this side, the top one, we have 1 key start, 1 key landing, and headless mode. Now for the 1 key start and 1 key landing, you do have to press and hold in order to execute those 2. That's really quite nice. On and off button in the middle, and then you've got your trim buttons then around the outside of the analog sticks there, as well as a little lanyard holder should you want it to hold a lanyard around your neck as you're flying, and a little status LED on the top there. Flipping this guy over, we have the battery bay. Side here we have 4 AA batteries are needed in order to use this transmitter. Now this transmitter does not allow USB charging of any sort, so therefore you are going to have to use proper fully charged batteries or fully charged rechargeables before they go in there in order to use it. So that's the transmitter. Let's put that to one side. Now as you can see me using little tools around here as I put on the propellers and lots of other things. How am I doing that? Well, a load of tools came with this particular quadcopter. So let's start off with one tool is for the propellers to hold the motors as you put the propellers on. You've got a Phillips screwdriver. You have 1 set of propellers on the quadcopter that you can use, and you also have another set here that they give you as spares. And then you have a micro USB cable to use as a charger for the battery, I'm guessing. Yep, micro USB socket right in the bottom there. That's to charge the battery. And then we do have an FPV boom then that fits on top of the transmitter. Okay, so there you get the FPV boom with that as well. So all in all, you get quite a package. You also get, don't forget, the 2 manuals that we looked at earlier. So you get the actual manual, which goes through every part of the drone, from the transmitter, how to unlock the motors, and how to fly the transmitter, as well as accessories you can buy. And then you get the app, how to install the Eachine app, from the little QR code at the back there. Wow, well, honestly, this has been quite an incredible package. If I just zoom out here a little bit, you can see everything that you get. That is quite outstanding. So there we are, folks. I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.